In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check if Google Analytics is working by using the real-time report to confirm that your own visit is being tracked. To get started, open your Google Analytics account and select the property for the website you want to test. Then in the navigation menu on the left, click Reports and choose Real-Time. This report shows activity happening on your site right now, so it's one of the quickest ways to verify that your Google Analytics tracking is active. Next, open your website in a separate browser tab or window. Before loading the site, make sure any ad blockers or privacy extensions are turned off, since they can prevent the Google Analytics tracking script from sending your visit to Analytics. Quick side note, for more straightforward Google Analytics tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Now browse to your website and return to the real-time reports in Google Analytics. Look at the real-time map or the active user count chart. Within a minute or two, you should see at least one active user appear, most likely your own visit. If you see that active user, Google Analytics is working and successfully receiving traffic data from your website.